I started to let go. And as soon as I did, I started making these really strange noises. And they were like coming from the back of my throat, like, and then hissing sounds like, and tongue rolling. I mean, so weird, you know? Like I would never intentionally make those sounds. And as soon as I started making those noises, my friend came over because she remembered that I said something's going to happen. She came over and she's like, I'm here, you're safe. And when I felt like I was actually in a safe space, I just completely surrendered. And I was like, I don't know what the F this is, but I'm just going to allow it because I know like that I'm safe. I know that I'm safe.